Assalamu alaikum. Ya dai mutanen gari, gidan nan ya yau ya kwana biyu. Ah, Kamar yadda muka yi magana ne last week, ko mun yi tutorial akan yadda za a cire hello world da kuma adding na two numbers. Yau dai za mu yi programming ne na wannan how to calculate ko how to wani assignment na shi ne to wanda ya bayar last week, kamar ina tunanin malamin ya bada assignment last week akan bari in ga question ɗin saying write a program. Okay, write a program to calculate and print the sum of natural numbers and then prompt the user for the value of n. That is the question, I think. So to do that, gaskiya akwai wasu abubuwan da za mu bi ko kuma in ce akwai wasu code ɗin da za mu bi mu yi creating na wannan site namu ko kuma in ce wannan program namu. To first of all dai za ka yi using basic tag naka, za ka rubuta basic tag naka da farko, basic syntax naka kenan. Bayan ka rubuta shi sai kamar yadda muka magana da muna da integer, muna da bubble, then for now dai za mu yi using integer ne saboda yace numbers ne yake bukata. To data type namu zai zama to integer, then int zai zama to int, then comma, then na biyu kuma shine mai int sum, ko shine sum of the numbers, ko then the sum will be is equal to 0, I think. Yeah, the sum is equal to 0 because it's just like create a program that would ask the user and then print the. So in the wancan calculate the ko write a program to calculate and print the sum of two numbers or a sum of the first natural numbers from the user to input the values, ko. So za mu yi wannan code ɗin na gaskiya sai mun using na sum kuma dole ya zama to 0. Sum is equal to 0. Then next abin da za mu yi shine see out. That means see out, enter the value of the enter the value of the n kenan ba, sai mu tambaye user akan cewa ya sa value na wannan abun make value na natural number. Then we will print see out, then cut, enter the value of natural number n, that is the n. Then I think for next, then will be then next will be the cn, because we must collect the like he said, the malamin kamar yadda ya ce za mu karbi numbers din ne a wajen user, ko to dole sai mun using the cin. To cin natural number kenan ba na cin end. Then for next abin da za a yi shine for loop kenan ba, then open bracket, then int I is equal to 1. Then if in ka ce is equal to 1, that means int I farkon number da zai cire ya zama to 1 kenan ba, last number zai zama to 1 ne. Then comma sorry, cut zai zama to semicolon. Then I less than or equal to n, that means the value of the natural number. Then next abin da zamu yi shine ne plus I, that means increase the number, ko. Then next abin da zamu yi shine ne sum, then plus is equal to, then I, that means everything inside this one is equal to I, is not equal to the I. Then da zamu yi shine ne print, ko, then see out less than, then cut, then the sum of the first number, then sai mu ce number da ya saka sai mu ce mai integer, integer, then less than, then quote, then natural number is, then less than, then sum will be the sum, then less than, and 9. Then this is will be our last. Then let's run and see if you work or not. If there is error, then we will fix it out. If there is no error, that is what we are looking for. Just a minute. Oh, I'll wait, because you see we enter the value of n. That means enter the value of n. Value of n is 1. That means the first natural number is 1. The first one natural number is 1. That is the what doing by what is asked about that equation. Then our second questions, I think, is like write a program or implement a program that takes 3 numbers as input and print the largest numbers among them. Okay, to do that, it's very easy, I think. To do that dai to abin da zan iya cewa mai sauki ne wa, saboda an zo gida kenan. A nan kuma double za mu yi using, in muna so kuma za mu yi using amma bari mu yi double, using double, then num1, num2, num3, because ya ce kamar yadda yake ya zama to number 3 ko. Then next abin da za mu yi ne, za mu tambaye user ya sa numbobin ko. That means will be the cin greater than zai zama to me num1. Before that, we have to print something before the cin. Ya kamata ya zama to it's like professional, like ya tambaye user enter the first numbers. To saboda haka sai mu using cout less than, then quote, then enter the first number. You see, this one I think will be proficient. Then then let us copy and paste. Then 2 num3 2 3. Wow. Then next abin da za mu yi shine assume the number 1 is like is the largest number. Let us say number 1 is the largest number. If this one, so print number 1. If not, then it's supposed to be ya kamata ya tsallake shi da ya wuce ko. To do that, dole za mu using checking ne ba. Checking is whether if za mu use it. If, then open brackets zai zama to me num1 is equal to or like greater than largest ko. Before that, dole akwai abin da za mu use saboda mu yi declaring nashi, mu ce double, then mu ce largest. Largest is equal to num1 ko. Num1. Then next will be this one. If num num2, sorry, not with a number normally. If num2 is greater than the largest, then now touch here, then this one will be the largest is equal to num2. If that means if it's greater than this number, that means if the largest, if the number 1 is greater than the num2, that means num2 is the largest number. Cool? That's what we mean by this. Okay, then num2, then enter. Okay, let's copy and paste. Then this one will be num3, then this one will be num3. Then next will be our print. Then see out, then cut, then the largest number among them, will be the less than num1, and is less than will be the comma, will be the comma, then cut, comma, less than, then num2, then less than, cut, then comma, and less than num3, then less than, then will be what? Cut is, then will be the largest. Then this is our end. Then zamusa end line namu. Then will be, this is our last part. Then let us run and see what will be. Is there any error or no? We have gotten an error. Because error, why did you get this error? Then num3, what happened with the num3? Okay, was not declared in this curve. Was not declared in this curve. Okay, you see that we made a mistake here. It's supposed to be a num, but I wrote mom. That's why. Okay, let's run and see again how it will be. You see, enter the first number 1, the second number 2, the fourth number, the third number will be 3. Then sorry, not here. Enter the first number 1, then enter the second number 3, enter the second number 5. Then it will be the largest number among is 5. That is 1, 2, and 5 is 5. You see, this is how we can write our program. If someone asks you to write how to create a program that you can detect whether this one is the largest number or is the smallest number. If it is smallest number, just will use small, but we will not use large. I hope you understand. We'll change the this one, what we call it as these largest variables with that smalls. It's okay if you do that. You have done, I think. Yeah. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you understand what we means. I hope you get all the answers of these two questions. If you have a question, just ask me. But I have to, before I'll go, I have to explain everything here. Yeah, you know, just I write and go. I don't explain anything because of that. Let me explain. You know, we have talked about the using namespace, instruments, all those things we have already talked about. Then now I'll comment. Okay, now uh, what does this double mean? And then these numbers we are assigned it as a as what? But some of you don't know what we have thought about all these things. I hope all of you, if even though 95% of you already know what is data type and the variable. I hope if you don't, just talk to me via our or just talk to me within the our comment below. You know, if you send me a message, I will get the message and then I will make a video about it and I will upload it to you. Yeah, and then all these things we have created, I think you understand everything inside, and then we'll talk about, if you don't understand anything about this one, then we'll make the video again, and then I think I will explain more for you. But for now I think it's okay, but I have to I think like from this side. Oh, I think like you understand everything, even this one. If you run this one, you'll see the sum of the first number is so. You see that is the sum of the natural number. Just a minute, please. Okay, let us go to the that one, and then I wanna explain everything inside this one. What do you mean by double? Okay, I think you already know what is integer, and then I think double is a type of data type that can be either fraction as well as whole numbers with values. I hope you understand. It will be a fraction or whole numbers. All it can take whole numbers and the fraction. Okay, if it can take the whole number, that means we can use our doubles to introduce the introduce our data variables. I mean our variables. Then after that, then we will go to this see out. What do you mean by see out? See out means print out everything inside this code, and then everything inside in that line print out. Or if you assign variable inside, that means you want to print out these variables that you are called, like this one. This num1 is a variable one, and this one is variables, and this one is variable. If you call the name of this variable, you means print out these variables that you assign it to it. I hope you understand. Like we have did it here. You see, the largest amounts less than num1. That means it's supposed to be print the num1 that the user enter the value, the value that the user enter. Then it will print out, and then comma, you say comma, and then num2. This c int that we have this c int num2, the user will input some values. If he input the value, then it will set the largest number amongst num1 comma num2. That means num1, like I can say like this one is this num1, the user input as a 1. That means this one is 1. then the largest amount 1, and then this one the user put 2. Then we'll say the largest amount the num1 comma the largest amount the 1 comma 2, and this one, like let us assume the user put 3. Then it said and 3 is 3. That means the 3 is the largest number, you see, or everything that the user input here, then you'll see it will show you the results. Then it will say the largest among the num1, num2, then num3 is equal to num num2, I hope you understand. Then we already did if else here, if and else at the class. I hope you understand is what do you mean by if. If you say if, that means it's like condition. I hope you understand. It is condition. If num2 is less is greater than, that means the largest number, the largest is what is num1. That means if the num1 num2 is largest, is greater than the 1, then you see the largest is equal to num2. That means you mean here, you mean that everything inside this environment, everything inside this, it means it's supposed to be print, and then the number that it prints is if it is the largest, it's supposed to be the largest number. That's the one we mean by this. Then we already talked about this one, and then this return 0 means run out without execute it without any errors, without any error. I hope you understand. That's the one we mean by this. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you understand everything inside. If you don't understand, just let me know. If you want, I'll give you my phone numbers or our WhatsApp group and other things. Na fata da kun gane komai abin da muke magana ana. Okay, to abin da zan yi ya muku yanzu ana, kar ku manta, you have to subscribe our channel because and then ku ta kararrawa, saboda da shi za ku san cewa mun sake daura wani video. You'll know whether we have uploaded. You'll see on your notification bar. If you open your data, the YouTube will notify you so upload new video, and then you'll go and watch that video. Okay, I think before we'll I think like after our class, I'll come and explain everything we did it inside the class, I think, if I don't forget. Okay, thank you. Thank you. I think you are together with Umar Alhaji saying, yeah. Thank you. Goodbye. Okay.